dear students, my warm welcome to Gurudeva learning class. Dear students, in previous class we have discussed about the first lesson in the second semester, right? You know what is that? Beware of man. Okay, that was a beautiful story about the tiger family, right? I hope that you have learned many activities in that lesson and you have understood the story also. So dear students, today's class we are going to learn one more story that's related to the animal also. You know what is that? The look here children. So here is the lesson number 2, the brave jackal. Okay, jackal means fox. You know who is the author of this story? Look here, Vishnu Sharma. Dear students, already you know about the Vishnu Sharma, right? He was the author of the Panchatantra stories. You know the brave jackal is one of the Panchatantra stories. You know what are the Panchatantra stories? See, Panchatantra stories means group of the animals and the birds. They have gathered and they will make the one story. Okay, in the Panchatantra stories, animals and the birds and the plants and the trees, they are speaking. So have you seen the Panchatantra stories? Yes, see lion and the rabbit, isn't it? You have known many Panchatantra stories, right? In first standard also you have learned one Panchatantra story. Okay. So like this, here is the story, that is the brave jackal. Okay, you can know about the Vishnu Sharma later. So dear students, today's class we are going to learn some interesting words and we are going to learn how to read this lesson. So now everyone must open your textbook and open the page number 28. Now you can see the page, the brave jackal. Okay, who has author of the story? Vishnu Sharma. Okay. Dear students, before model reading, I would like to introduce about the author. Okay. Dear students, he is the Vishnu Sharma. Vishnu Sharma is an Indian author who is believed to have written the Panchatantra tales. This is about the author Vishnu Sharma. Dear students, now you can know about some interesting words. So now everyone must open the textbook and hold the pencil also, because I am going to tell the interesting words, that you can underline those and you can practice later. So if you practice the interesting words, then you can read the lesson easily. Okay, come to the interesting words. Look here children. So here I have written some interesting words. Okay. So and I am going to tell you how to pronounce those. So look here. So lesson number 2, the brave jackal, Vishnu Sharma. So here are some interesting words. Okay. First one, B-R-A-V-E, brave. How to pronounce that word? Brave. Next one, J-A-C-K-A-L, jackal, jackal. Okay. See, look here how to pronounce this. J-A-C-K, jack. A-L-L, jackal. Okay. So this is the name of the fox. Next one, B-R-A-V-E-R-Y. How to pronounce this word? Bravery. Look here. B-R-A-V, brave. E-R-Y-A-V. Brave, bravery. Okay. So how to pronounce this word? Bravery. Next word, L-O-Y-A-L-T-Y. Loyalty. So look here. L-O-Y, loy. See, B-O-Y, boy, right? So like this, L-O-Y, loy. A-L, all. T-Y-T. Loyalty. Loyalty. See how to pronounce that word? Loyalty. Next word, D-E-N-S-E, dance. Okay, already have known this word, right? Dance. Next one, S-O-U-T-H-E-R-N. S-O-U-T-H-E-R-N, southern. Okay, how to pronounce this word? Southern. Okay. Next one, W-A-N-G-E-R, wonder. How to pronounce that? Wonder. Okay. Next one, B-A-T-T-L-E-F-I-E-L-D. So this is a long word, right? How to pronounce that? Battlefield. Okay. So we can call it as a giant word also, right? So battle is another word, field is another word. So if we join both words, it will become a battlefield. Look here. B-A-T-T-L-E, battle. F-I-E-L-D, field. Battlefield. Okay. Next one. S-C-A-T-T-E-R-E-D, scatter. How to pronounce that word? Scatter. Next one, silence. Silence. So this is already old word, right? Silence. Next one, frightend. Frightened. So you have known this word in previous class only. Okay. Fright and frightened. Okay. Next one, look here. Flee. Flee. How to pronounce that word? Flee. Next one, wise. Okay. courage. Courage. How to pronounce that word? Courage. crept. Crept. Okay, like swept. We are saying pronouncing right? Swept. Like a crept. Okay, crept. Next one, gathering. Gathering. Okay. See, gather. 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 ing. Gathering. Okay. Next one, beast. Beast. Okay. Next one, creepers. Creepers. Okay, like a sweepers. See, creepers. Creepers. Okay. Next one, soldiers. Soldiers. Okay, how to pronounce that word? Soldiers. See, here D will be DI. Okay. DIE. This is pronouncing it as the Z. Okay, soldiers. See how to pronounce that word? Soldiers. Next one, relieved. Relieved. See how to pronounce that? Relieved. Dear students, so I hope that you have known about the pronunciation of all these words, right? So I will tell you one more time. Listen carefully. Okay. Look here. Brave. Okay. Jackal. Bravery. Loyalty. Thence. Southern. Wonder. Battlefield. Scattered. Silence. Frightened. Okay. Here. Flee. Wise. Courage. Crept. Gathering. Beast. Creepers. Soldiers. Relieved. Dear students, so these are the interesting words from the second lesson. So you can underline all these words in your textbook and you can practice today. Okay. So now you can look at your textbook because I am going to read this lesson.
Lesson number 2, The Brave Jackal, written by Vishnu Sharma. Introduction. Panchatantra is a group of stories on birds and animals written by Vishnu Sharma. They were written thousands of years back in India. These stories tell you the importance of good values like friendship, bravery, loyalty, etc. Come to the paragraph. Many years ago, a jackal lived in a dense jungle of southern India. His name was Gomaya. He had very few friends, so he stayed all by himself most of the time. One day he was very hungry and he wandered about in the jungle in search of food. He searched for hours but could not find any. Tired and hungry, he reached an open space that looked like an old battlefield. Things like a broken swords and arrows were scattered everywhere. Suddenly, he heard a strange noise breaking the silence of the jungle. He got frightened. Go to the next page. He could not move. The noise became louder. He thought to himself, I must flee from here before the one who is making these sounds finds me and comes to kill me. But then he stopped and asked himself, is it wise of me to run away from my home like this? Shouldn't I be brave and try to find out who is making these sounds? So, gathering all the courage that he had, he slowly crept in the direction from where the sound was coming. He was expecting to find a wild beast, but all that he found was a drum lying near some creepers. It must have been left there by the soldiers who fought on the battlefield. He then realized how the sound was made. When the strong wind blew, the creepers rubbed against the drum and made the creepy sound. So the scary beast was none other but the drum. Go to the next page. Relieved that there was no reason to be scared of, he continued his search for food. Not far away, he found a lot of food to last him a long time.
Okay, fine. Dear students, you have learned all these interesting words from the second lesson. You know what is that? Brave jackal. Okay, already you have known about the author also. So you have known how to read that lesson also. So dear students, today's class you have learned all these things, right? So in your home you can practice all this. Okay. So in the next class I am going to explain the story of the brave jackal. So what happens in that story? So which are the things comes in that story? We will discuss in the next class. So until you can read this lesson and you can practice all these interesting words. Okay. Have a nice day. Bye.